$60 an hour for this easy online side hustle. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nikki back at you with another video to help you all make some money. In this video, I want to help you out with this way of making money that I never talk about on this channel, but I've done it. I've known about it for many, many years, and it can pay you up to $60 an hour, and you can do it from home, of course. So make sure you watch this video all the way through so that you're not confused as to how to use this website and how to get your money. So let's jump into my computer, and I'm going to show you this site and show you exactly what you need to do to get your money. Here it is. This is the website that I was talking about. It is called Online Verdict. It's onlineverdict.com, and I am no way affiliated with them, but I had to let you know about this because I have done this in the past. So Online Verdict is a way where you can be an online juror for real cases and get paid up to $60 an hour. So I've done this years ago. I've known about this for a very long time. So it's definitely legit. And like I said, the cases are real. So let me tell you all about this website. So this is the login screen. We will come back to this because I will log in, but I want to show you what it's about. So Online Verdict is technically a focus group. So like I said, they do real cases. You would be a juror for a real case, but it's not like you're really dealing with court, if you understand what I'm saying. So basically, they're trying to gauge how a real case would end up, like what would be the final decision on a real case. So attorneys will come here to find people to be on a mock jury so they can figure out, is it worth them getting a jury trial or should they settle? Basically, it's to gauge the case. So this is considered a focus group. So let me give you a quick rundown of this website. Right here, this is a description of what they do. This is an online paid legal focus group, and this is basically a call out for the attorneys so they know that they have 600,000 participants that have signed up for Online Verdict that want to get paid to give their opinion. And under here, you can come over to this website and read this stuff yourself. So I'm not going to read you word for word, but these are other companies that they work with, and some of these may look familiar because I talk about them on my channel. Nielsen, National Consumer Opinion, Opinion Outpost. I've talked about all of these. Inbox Dollars, Pinecone. I've done them all, okay? And if you want even more options to get paid for online surveys, then definitely check out my Make Money playlist. But besides that, in order to be a juror, what you would do is you would come to this homepage and it says, be a juror in our database. So you click here and this is how you sign up. So it is the juror sign up page. And right here, they are asking for general information, your name, date of birth, all that stuff. And like I said, this is a legit website. I've been with them for years. So you have to be a US citizen in order to use this site. So once you fill out this survey, then you can be in their database. And when they have jobs available, they will contact you and you can be a part of one of these jury focus groups. Let's come over to the benefits of using Online Verdict. So this is everything that I explained to you. You get paid to review and respond to legal cases, and this will normally take like less than an hour of your time, and they will pay about $60 an hour. Now, if you want to know what the criteria is specifically to sign up, this is the criteria. So you can pause this video and read this, or you can go directly to onlineverdict.com and read the criteria. But quick rundown, US citizen over the age of 18 is very important to know, okay? So how it works is the other thing, because I know a lot of people are going to have that question of, okay, well, how do I get paid and when do I get paid? So that's why it's important when you sign up to use your legit information. First of all, because listen, it's fraud if you don't, okay? But besides that, you want them to have your correct information so they know where to send your check, okay? So once you've done a case, then you can expect to get a check in the mail, and they mail the checks out once per month. And if you have other questions about this website, then bam, the FAQs are right here. So just to give you a glimpse as to some of the frequently asked questions, these are the topics. And this is to back me up on what I just told you. So how much you get paid, it typically is $20 to $60 an hour. And the cases typically range between 20 and 60 minutes to complete, depending on the length of the case. All right. So if you were wondering how much money you get paid for doing this, that's how much you get paid. All right. And I know a lot of people have questions about the taxes and stuff. All that information is in here. And yes, you will have to report this money on your taxes. All right. So if you have more questions about payments or the process or any of that stuff, you can come over here to the frequently asked questions. And reminder, the link is in the description box down below this video. So if you have specific questions about this website, I implore you to come over to this website and check it out. All right. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you what it'll look like once you do sign up. So this is my juror dashboard, and this is what it'll look like once you are logged in. As you can see, there are no cases. I actually signed up for a new account because I could not remember, to save my life, what my previous email was when I signed up, because when I did this originally, it was like over 10 years ago. Okay, so that's just to give you an idea of how long I've known about this website. But yeah, the juror dashboard will show the cases that you've been assigned and the payment amount that you have been paid. And again, you have to sign up first and then you'll have access to this juror dashboard. See, online verdict is where it's at. It's a nice way to earn some extra money. Now, you're not going to get a full-time income from it, but it's a nice way to earn a little side money like we like to do. You know, you got to get money from everywhere. So if you like online verdict and you want to sign up, make sure you hit the link down in the description box. It is not an affiliate link. It is just a link to help you all out so that you can sign up. And if you're happy that I did another money-making video, please hit me with a smiley face down in the comments and let me know that you're happy about it. And also to let me and the algorithm know that you like this type of content, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And if you like to make money and you want to know more ways to make money, make sure you watch this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let